Okay, today we have a 2024 Toyota RAV4 and we're going to be working on the key fob on this one. So we have a key fob here, is an OEM, but the customer is stating that whenever she tries to turn on, I'm going to press the brake. So you see it says that the key is not detected even though the key is here. So we're going to try to actually reprogram this key fob and see if we can get it to work. To do that, I'm going to use my auto. It's already connected down there on the OBD2. So I got my auto here and I'm going to go to emo and then I'm going to search for Toyota right here. And I'm going to do manual selection, USA. Then where's the RAV4? RAV4 is right here. This is a 24. This is marquee. Yes. Emo status scan. Remember to turn on your flashes before you start working on any of this. So what we're gonna do is back up the emo data so that way we don't have to request a pin, a security pin, in order to go through the whole process of deleting and adding the key. Here is the instructions. Turn the hazard warning lamps on and off once. Press the start stop button 5 times and keep the ignition off. Okay, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna press the flashes 1, turn it on, turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press OK. Backup via OBD2. This function is used to back up EEPROM data of the smart main ECU, which is be used to perform yes. You must turn off the Bluetooth function of the vehicle and connect VCI to diagnostic tool with USB cable. Otherwise, this function will fail. Okay, so let's connect that cable now. So let's put the cable here and now connect it here. The EEPROM is already generated there. Let's save it. Backup succeed. Okay, now we're gonna go back. So we're gonna go to control unit, keyless system, erase smart key. Yes. It's asking me if I have a backup, a EEPROM backup. So yes, here's the backup that I created it. Okay. I'm gonna put the key in here. And I'm gonna get the other one. Okay, got 2 beeps. Learn succeed. So now the key is being reprogrammed. I have the key here. And now we can start the vehicle without any problems. And she doesn't have to put the key back and, touch the button so it can turn on and off. And then we can see that the locks work. Everything is working. This one opens and closes the car. And then let's take this one out so we can test the other copy because I made 2 copies for her now. So that way she has 2 copies instead of 1. I'm gonna take this one out of the vehicle and make sure that this one is working and she can turn on the vehicle with both. Then I got the copy here, put it in my hands, and it will start. So now both copies are good to go and she's good. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments and I will do my best to answer them. Have a great day.